In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the trim and proper functions in Google Sheets. The trim and proper are functions that help you correct text with the spacing and the capitalization. So specifically, the trim removes leading, trailing, and repeated spaces in text, and the proper function capitalizes each word in a specified string. So we're going to use both functions to correct these texts right here. We're going to start with the trim, where we remove the unnecessary spaces before, in between, and after the text. Let's get started. So we're going to start with an equal sign, type in trim, and then select the text or your cell reference and press enter. So for the first one, we've corrected the spacing, but we haven't corrected the capitalization. We're going to do that with the next function, which is proper, equal sign, type in proper, and your cell reference, and enter. And we've corrected the capitalization, but not the spacing. So what we're going to do is to combine these two functions right here. So again, the equal sign, start with trim, and then the proper function. And now for the cell reference, and press enter. And there you have it. We've corrected both the spacing and the capitalization. And for us to apply this to the rest of our text, all we have to do is to drag down till the end, and the rest will be autofilled. So we've corrected everything from the spacing to the capitalization of all of our data. Now all we have to do is to just copy this, paste it right here, go to Paste Special, and just click on Values Only. You can do the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl-Shift and V, or Command-Shift and V if you're a Mac user. Click on that, and there you have it. And that's how to use the trim and proper functions in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.